Hey guys, Frankie here at Fillmore Buick GMC, and today I'm going over this pre-owned 2012 Harley Davidson F-150. This vehicle has 74,000 miles on it. You can get it now for $38,995. This comes equipped with your 6.2 liter V8, 22-inch wheels. You also got your automatic running boards on this truck. Come take a look at this interior. You got heated and cooled seats, power driver and passenger seating, memory seats, navigation, sunroof. This truck is just beautiful. Got your Sony stereo system in this truck, all-weather floor mats, power sliding rear window. Come take a look at this truck bed. You got your Harley Davidson badging here. Also have it on your back tailgate. This truck is just fine. Now, this is going to end our video on our 2012 Harley Davidson F-150. Come see Frankie at Fillmore Buick GMC in Jackson, Mississippi.